Welcome. Question number 33. You can make a small heading. Support reactions for simply supported beam subjected to uniformly varying load. This is the last part of that one. Represented by a trapezium. You write that way. That is, intensity varies from minimum to maximum. So, okay, question 33 question. I'll dictate the question. As usual, question will be dictated here. Because if I write the question here, it will take a lot of space. Dictated. But listen correctly. Yes, I will sit and dictate. A simply supported beam of span L is loaded by an uniformly varying load which has minimum intensity of W1 per unit length at the left end, which linearly increases to maximum intensity of W2 per unit length at the right end. So suffix 1 is for left end, suffix 2 is for right end. Over. W1 to W2. Over. Now, as usual, let VAB be same thing. Now, before you go that side, make a note. First of all, I should not give. So, if in the classroom, I will not give. I will look at them and glare at them. If you do not know by this time how to get area and centroid for a trapezium, you don't come to my class. But I can't tell you that way because you are not in front of me. So, still once again, maybe 15, 20th time I am telling. See, don't see there. Consider a trapezium. One side I will tell W1, W2. See now, for the formula, it does not matter whether W1 is more or W2 is more. But it matters when you divide into rectangle and triangle. Suppose you divide into rectangle and triangle. See, if it is this way, triangle will come this way. Whereas if it is this way, see now for this triangle, 2/3, 1/3. For this angle, 1/3, 2/3. So if you divide into rectangle and triangle, suppose you are afraid of trapezium, then it matters. Otherwise, it does not matter. But one thing I told, centroid G, you slightly mark on that side where area is more. Here, centroid slightly this side. From left side, let it be x1 bar. From right side, x2 bar. x1 bar, x2 bar. First, you require area. I told many times, I will tell by words. Area equal to sum of the parallel sides. So, W1 plus W2. See, formula for area. Sum of the two parallel sides. So, it is W1 plus W2 divided by 2 multiplied by distance between the parallel sides. L. That is area. Now, if you want centroid location, if you want from left end, whether it is for this case or this case, this is for both the cases. See, this is for both the cases. If I want centroid from this side, centroidal distance from this side, formula is, see, I want from here, this side W1 plus twice of other side, twice of W2 divided by this side plus that side, W1 plus W2 into distance between the two parallel sides divided by 3. So, see here, from here, W1 plus twice of W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into L by 3. If you want from this side, W2 plus twice of W1 divided by W2 plus W1 into L by 3. I am going to remove this one now. I want space because here more calculations are there. Okay, now beam is ready for calculation. I will do one thing now. I don't know why. See, suddenly started raining now. I think I have to pause. Otherwise, rain disturbance will come. I will pause and wait for some time. But you can't make out. Rain stopped. I will start now. See, start here. First of all, you make note. You have two options. I will tell option 1. Option 1. You write here. consider the entire trapezium as a single load. Then you go back here, see centroid will be somewhere here, light line without disturbing arrangement. This is the total load. You know distance from here, just now I told W1 plus 2W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into L by 3 from here. Other side, you already know it. So then, see here, sigma m about A is equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Minus VB, space problem is there, I'll write here. Okay. Minus VB into L. L is black color. See why I am starting here, because I want more space. Minus VB into L, then plus clockwise. I want this total load is given by area of the trapezium. I told sum of the two parallel sides divided by 2 multiplied by distance between the parallel side. W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L is the total load multiplied by distance of centroid of that load diagram from here is from here to here. W1 plus twice of W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into distance between the parallel side divided by 3. This is right here. This is the total load downward. This is that X bar. That X bar I explained. See, light line you can write here. This is just one X bar will do, or X1 bar. Okay, this is that X1 bar equal to 0. Or you will get, see now, minus VB into L. Something interesting now, see, minus VB into L plus, see, W1 plus W2, here W1 plus W2. This W1 plus W2 here and W1 plus W2 here gets cancelled. It is very useful. It always comes that way. So, remaining answer is W1 plus 2W2, W1 plus 2W2, W1 plus 2W2 into L will give L square. 3 into 2 is 6 into L square by 6 equal to 0. Therefore, I will write here, your VB will come plus, because other side, W1 plus 2, red color I will write answer. This all, see, if you learn all these, your structural knowledge will improve like anything. W1 plus 2W2 into L square, 1 L cancels, into L divided by 6 is the answer. This is the answer for VA. Now, make sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Upward positive. Plus VA plus VB plus VA plus VB minus W1 plus W2, W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L equal to 0. Upward load, total downward load is the area. Now, substituting VB equal to what you got? We got VB, I like black color now because known, W1 plus 2W2 into L by 6, we will get plus VA plus W1 plus 2W2 divided by into L divided by 6 minus W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L equal to 0. Or simplify here, your VA, see here, W1L minus W1L W1, or you can do one thing, 6 and 2 here, take, or you do one thing, continue further, okay, better. W1 plus, take 1 by 6 outside, 1 by 6, and also there's a L here, there's a L is L. Yeah, yes, this is L here, yes, here there is L, okay. See, L here, L here. So you take L by 6 outside, L by 6 here, L by L outside, 2 and 6, take common, 2 and 6, take common denominator 6. So it becomes, I'll put directly now, 3 times, see, it is 3W1 plus 2W2 minus, no, sorry, 6 means, oh, it is there. Sometimes it happens. This is 6 actually. This will come as it is. W1 plus 2W2 minus 3 times 3W1 minus 3W2 equal to 0, or VA plus, see here, W1 minus 2W1 minus W1 minus TW1 is, there is, sorry, how much happens now? See, W1 minus 3W1 becomes, the net answer is actually minus, or why that much? W1 minus 3W1 is minus 2W1. Then 2W2 minus 3W2 is minus W2, or minus L by 6 outside times, I can put 2W1 plus W2 equal to 0. Therefore, your VA equal to, take that side, minus becomes plus. Same format. See, here you got W1 plus 2W2. There you got W2 plus 2W1. That is much better. 2W1 into L by 6. Or red, I want red color. Final answer will be red color. Equal to, I will interchange now. I will tell you why I am interchanging. W2 plus 2W1 into L by 6. That means there is a particular format following up here. See, I will write the format later. Okay. I will write the format later. When I complete all the solution, I will write the format. So answer is there. When everything is over, I will put the result here, not right now. Okay, now, or alternately, you should write here. Those people who find difficulty for trapezium, they can divide this trapezium into, see, one rectangle and one triangle. See, this is W1, lesser. This total is W2. This all you have to make a note, W2. Now, if this is W1, this also becomes W1 only. This will become W2 minus W1 because W2 is more. Next question is, when W1 is more, that I will briefly explain here. Okay, now, this is UDL. This is uniformly varying load, represented by a triangle. Make this note. Okay. Once you make this note, write the sketch. Write the sketch. Once again, write the sketch. See. UDL, somewhere right here, this is W1. W1 per unit length, no space right there. So not per U, per unit length. One triangle here. Now stagger the arrow marks. Stagger the arrow marks. This ordinate is W2 minus W1 per unit length. Length is L. Okay. Reaction VA, reaction VB. Now, sigma m about A equal to 0, take clockwise positive. Take here. Minus BB into L minus VB into L plus this is UDL. W1 per unit length for a length of L, thousands of times told. W1 into L is the total load. Correctly it will pass through centroid. See, it will pass here. Through centroid means midpoint. So moment is into L by 2 plus this load. Half into L into bracket W2 minus W1 is the total load multiplied by this load. Centroid is here. See, when I do my next question, I will tell you now only, you should do it. Where your W1 will be more, I will give question with answer. Briefly I will tell. This much I will not explain there. Next question, anyway, you make a note somewhere outside now only. Where W1 I am taking more, W2 I am taking lesser. So next time, see, this will not change. This will not change. Why this will not change? This will not change because here we are not bothered about what? Triangle here. But here, when you divide into rectangle and triangle, here, see, next question is going to be like this. This is your W1, this is W2. So when you divide into rectangle and triangle, next question, it comes this way. This will be your W2 and this will be W1 minus W2. And this is through here, this is here. Here, see, from here to here will be this centroid will be at 2 by 3 of L. So here into 2 by 3 of L equal to 0. Now make a note. Next question, same way, W2 into L is the total load into half of L. Then half into L into W1 minus W2 is the total load into not 2/3, 1/3 of L. Next question, it will become 1/3 of L. Where W1 is there, W2 will come. Where W2 is there, W1 will come. This much I explained. Still, if you cannot do it, don't study, first of all. Not fit for education. Okay. Equal to 0. Sometimes I should be harsh. Now, simplify. Or minus VB into L plus W1, see, W1 L square by 2, W1 L square by 2, see, plus half into L into W2 into 2/3 of L. How to calculate? You take your calculator. Take your calculator and operate. How? Half means half, 1 by 2. Half into 2 by 3. Half into 2. Half into 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. I don't know why I am calculating first of all. Okay, 1 by 3. So it will come W2 L, see, W2, this afterwards, W2 L by 2 into 2/3 of L is W2 L square by how much? 3. It will come W2 L square by 3. One more term is there, half into L into minus W1 into 2/3 of L. Same number. So it will come minus W1 L square by 3. 2 and 2 will cancel. Or, see here, minus VB into L plus W1 L square by 2 minus W1 L square by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Okay. Plus plus 1 by 6 into W1 into L square, then plus 1 by 3 into W2 into L square equal to 0. Therefore, your VB equal to, take that side. See, when you take that side, W1 L square by, this minus is there, becomes plus that side. W1 L square by 6 by L becomes plus W1 L by 6. See the answer here. W1 L by 6 plus, no, sorry, L by 6 last I will write here, or W1 L by 6 plus W2 L square by L is L by 3, or you can tell VB equal to same format. Here see, I got VB, W1 plus 2W2 plus bracket W1 plus 2W2 into this. Why 2W2? Because I am taking 6 common denominator here. When I take 6 common denominator, W2 becomes 2W2 into L by 6. Oh, right here. Oh, same answer what you got here. See here, same answer. Now, next part, you should do it. If that much you cannot do, I am helpless. Sigma V0, upward positive. I will write here, then I will get the answer. Next, okay. Sigma V0, upward positive. I will not simplify. Plus VA plus VB plus VB minus W1 into L, UDL, W1 into L, it is same as this one, minus this triangle load half into L into W2 minus WL, W1 equal to 0. Now you write here, space is not there. You should do that much work. Substitute VB equal to W1 plus 2W2 into L by 6. You will get your VA equal to, my guarantee, W2 plus 2W1 into L by 6. Okay. Now I will go and put the final result now. Remember now, I will give one more question for you, 34, which you have to solve, where I will tell now only. This is bigger, this is smaller. Where? If you use entire trapezium principle, see, if you solve this way, then it does not matter, because when you put the formula W1 plus 2W2, or when you put area, W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L, or when you mark centroid by W1 plus 2W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into the distance divided by 3, it does not matter whether W1 is more or W2 is more. I told earlier, it does not matter. So, your next question, this will be bigger, smaller. This part will remain same. Same answer will come. Calculator, when you calculate the value, it will adjust itself over. But when you divide, suppose you are afraid of trapezium. Suppose you divide into rectangle and triangle. Next question, instead of triangle this way, triangle will come this way. Then this will be W2. This will be W2 minus W1 minus W2. I just now explained. Do that way and get the answer. So I will go to the final presentation of answer now. Final presentation of the answer for this question. Okay, this all I am removing now. Okay, all I can remove. Final presentation. Therefore, see, support reactions for the given beam only will be as shown below. As shown below. See, same answer for next question also. I write now. See, answer. This is W1, write correctly, which is told lesser. W1 per unit length. This is increasing little more. W2 per unit length. Uniformly varying. I will tell you how to remember the format now. See, start. This is A, this is B, there's a reaction here VA, there's a reaction here VB, equal to length is L, this reaction equal to, see, if you want this reaction, this intensity W1 plus 2 times of other intensity, close the bracket, into L by 6. If you want this reaction, it is this intensity W2 plus 2 times of other. It is always 2 times of other. See, W1, 2 times of W1 divided by 2, or divide into L by 6. Now, if somebody will ask me this question, can you tell the reaction? I will tell, yes, I can do. How? What will do? I will do nothing. I will use extra concept I know. I will tell what is that one. If you understand right, otherwise leave it. See, otherwise leave it. Not for you. I will tell them, see, W1 here, W2 here. Correct. Then, I will put a diagonal line here. I will replace this by 2 uniformly varying loads. One of the load, see, I will tell you this one. One of the load is like this. Other load is like this. This is W1 to 0. Other is W2 to 0. But someone will tell, if you divide like this, second one, it is not coming. It is coming. It looks like not coming. It is coming. Because when you want, if you want horizontal dispersion, okay. When you want vertical loading, it will come. Then you will keep quiet. Then I will tell. For this one, see, I will tell here, separate. See, one of them is this way. See, it's much more clear. See, one of them is this way. W1 to 0. Other I will tell this way, 0 to W2. Now, for a triangle load, we know the reaction. It is where intensity is 0, it is WL by 6. Where intensity maximum, it is WL by 3. So, this is W1L by 6. This is W1L by 3. This reaction. This reaction is where 0, it is W2L by 6. This is W2L by 3. See, W1L by 3, and this is W2L by 6. It's interchange. W1 here, W2. I think it's interchange by chance. One nimisha. Have I interchanged it? W1 plus 2W2 into L square by 6. VB. Okay. Now, if this is the way it is explained, then see this reaction, W1L by 3 plus W2L by 6. W1L by 6 is there. Can't see. W1L by 3 plus W2L by 6. See here. W1L by 6, W2L by 3. 2 by 6, 3. This reaction, W1L by 6, W2L by 3. W1, where's here? W1, this reaction, it is W1 plus 2W2, W2 plus 2W1 here. W2 plus 2W1, so I think some number has missed here. 1 meter, this VB is W2 plus 2W1. I think some numbers are interchanged here most probably. W1 plus 2W2 L by 6. 1 minute, let me check it now. W1 plus 2W2. Okay, W1 by 6. W1 plus 2W2 into L by 6. Maybe some number missing here. This is VB. W1 plus 2W2 into L by 6. W1 plus 2W2 L by 6. Let me check it here. I don't know where some numbers are by chance interchange. It's a good thing happened. Okay, I will check it. Sometimes, okay. See, it is not possible. I told, technically I cannot make a mistake. I got a shock actually. What is happening here, first of all? See, I told this is my trick. My trick should match with the answer. But here, for W1, L by 3, W1, that's for W1 here, for this case. But remember, you never bother, you solve this way. This only trick I am telling. It is for W1, left side is 1 by 3, right is 1 by 6. For W2, left is 1 by 6, right is 1 by 3. But I am getting different answer here. See, for W1, L by 6 means W2 I am getting L by 3. Actually nothing. I made wrong entry. See here, I got VB here. See, what is this? See, this is human nature. Little feeling tired. So when I was about to enter the answer, what I did, what answer first I got, entered VA. See here, actually VB, what I do, see entry. Your VA is here. What is VA? See here VA. VA is W2 plus 2W1 into L by 6. Whereas VB equal to, answer is there, W1 plus 2W2 into L by 6. Okay, now correctly tallying. Because what happened is, I really got the shock. How I can go wrong in such, that too in concept, how I can go wrong. Impossible. I got a little shock here. What is happening here, first of all? See, this is a trick. If I had not mentioned the trick, nothing to worry. Someone would have commented, sir, you got the correct answer, sir. But while entering, you by chance made this entry that side, that entry this side. But see, the thief is caught. See, what I got VB, I should enter here. What I got VA, I should enter here. Now, I could have done one thing. It is not difficult. Go to edit. Cut this. See, what all I told here, cut it. And what entry I made here, that portion also cut it. And make correct entry. Then you will not be knowing what happened. See, nobody except me, nobody will be knowing what happened. But I am not bothered. I know in the structural engineering class, there is no chance of me getting stuck. Stuck means what? See? Now, what is this? What happened? Was something wrong here? See, calculation mistake is okay. Typing, this is called typing mistake. This happens, human nature. It happens so many times. Human nature, interchange. But if I tell in the class, this trick I told, once I told the trick, if the answer, but anyway, you need not bother about trick. If you understand it, understand. Otherwise. But then, to my horror, shock, it is giving reverse answer. Now, it was not giving reverse answer, it is giving correct answer only. Wrong entry is made. That's all. Okay, done. That's why I so far never edited any class. See, my class, in the long back, I was not knowing how to upload. I used to send to somebody, who I will do in part videos, and he will join it. And I will tell sometime, some disturbance is there, edit it. Now I believe, no edit. Pure, natural, organic. My class will be always organic. What I tell here, everything will come to here. In case I get stuck, I will upload the class. It will never happen, don't worry. It will never happen. Now correct, see, W2 L by 6, W1 L by 3. Or this reaction is W1 L by 3, W2 L by 6. Here, W1 L by 6, W2 L by 3. Or 2 times of other intensity will come. Okay. Now, shortcut I will tell. One more shortcut. Those who can understand. Those who can understand. If you understand, do it. Otherwise, leave it. Direct shortcut. Anyway, I will do that also. See. Or further shortcut. No sigma m, no sigma v. See. Or further shortcut. Part 2, lecture 36. Little concept required. Here, you cannot divide into triangle and rectangle. Remember, if you are applying the trick or that one, you should write as it is. Okay. This is W1 per unit length, W2 per unit length. Now only I will mark here, okay. This is reaction VA sufficient. This is reaction VB. Space required VB. Span is L. Span is L. Resultant load will come here. The resultant load is W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L is the load. If you want distance from here, mark it here. This is W1 plus 2W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into L by 3. If you want from here, W2 plus 2W1 divided by W2 plus W1 into L by 3. All explained. Therefore, this reaction equal to total load W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L. Here also, this reaction VB also equal to how much? Total load W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L. Space problem is there. And from this side further, VB equal to space problem. I can write up to here only. W1 plus W2 divided by 2 into L is the total load. Then I told VB, go that side. Space problem is there. VB into, if you want this reaction, A, this is B, this reaction, total load into other distance. Other distance, if you want this reaction, other distance, that is W2 plus 2W1 divided by W2 plus W1 into L by 3. If you want this reaction, total load into other distance, that is W1 plus 2W2, W2 plus 2W1 divided by W2 plus W1 into L by 3, or see here, W1 plus W2, W2 plus W1 cancels. W1 plus W2, W2 plus W1 cancels. What you get here? W2 plus, or see what format here? This reaction. W2 plus 2W1 plus W2, or I will put, see here, 2W1 plus W2. Here what I get? Something went wrong here. This is W2. This is other distance. Correct. If this load into other distance, it is W1 plus 2W2. Correct. Okay. Equal to W1 plus 2W2 comes here. Then into, forgotten. Divide by L is there. Full divide by L is there. One L will cancel. Into L divided by 6 into L divided by 6 here. 2W1 plus W2 here. W1 plus 2W2. If you want, you can interchange. You can make 2W2 plus W1. That is same answer what we got. Okay, now question number 33 over. 34, you have to completely work out. I will not give any hint for you. See, question number 34. I have to refill the ink, but no problem because sufficient. Only homework I am giving. Okay, I will write the question here. A simply supported beam of span L loaded by uniformly varying load which has maximum intensity of W1 per unit length at the left support, which linearly decreases to W2 per unit length at the right support. Find the reaction. Okay, I'll give answer. I just now explained one thing. See, answer. This reaction is 2W1 plus W2 into L by 6. This reaction is 2W2 plus W1 into L by 6. 2W1 plus W2, 2W2, it's okay. Now, if you solve as a trapezium, it is nothing but copying of previous question. But if you divide into rectangle and triangle, I already told you I should not tell. First of all, I'm wasting my time. Then, see, one small change will come now. See, rectangle will come, triangle comes this way. See, last time, see here, last time rectangle was W1, the triangle extra is W2 minus W1. Now, rectangle is W2, this is W2 minus 1. Last time, when you take moment about here, this is 2 by 3, but now, when you take moment about this point, this is 1 by 3. Make a note. Now, happily solve, get the answer. This is question number 34. Now, next class is 35. Next 35. I'll make a note because I forget sometimes. Next 35. 35, 36, 37, 38 are, I will tell you what is that one. Further easier, I will give, see, one question I will give this way. I will tell you why it is easier. It is once this way, once this way. Again, once this way, once this way. See, one numerical 30, 40, 8 meter, 60, 20, 10 meter, not 10 meter, like that. This is very easy. Here, 2W, 5W. Oh, no W1, W2. W will come outside. Means compared to this question, this is further easier. This is further easier because by number system. Here, maybe 6W to 2W, something like that. So these all I'll solve next class. Again, I'll do one thing. One I will solve, one for you. Here, one I will solve numerical, one for you. When I solve bookwork, I will see that it is this way means numerical, I will take up this way. I will take both the cases. That is next class. We can close this uniformly varying load represented by trapezium. Then I will start couple. Okay, thank you.